Hey, how is going? Today I gonna show you a new thing about Google Ad Enhanced Conversion Tracking with GoHighLevel platform. You can also call it a CRM. So let me start. I think you see my screen. So we need three platform. At first we need Google Tag Manager, then we need a GoHighLevel landing page, then we need Google Ad account. So I already have it. This is Google Tag Manager. This is our landing page, and on this landing page we have a form. This is the form and we're going to track it. Then we have this Google Ad account. So I will create a new conversion here and it will be enhanced conversion tracking. Okay, so let me start on tag. This is trigger, this is variable. Okay, at first I have to create some variable to capture this value. I mean this from value, I mean email, phone number, first name, last name. Then I have to push the information on Google Ad conversion. Okay, usually we use a listener code to track contract form. Okay, but for GoHighLevel I don't find a listener code, so I will use the alternative way. Okay, the alternative way is DOM scraping and the browser session storage. Okay, so let me start doing it. To do it I need some element. At first I need extension to get the CSS selector of the from field. Okay, then I need two JavaScript code. The first code is to set the value on the session storage, then second code is to get the value from the session storage and fire a data layer. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so at first we have to use this extension to capture the value from the landing page. Okay, now this is the actual extension. Okay, so I have to capture phone number from here. So let me write my phone number. Okay, now we have to select and we have to click here, then just click here. Okay, I got the CSS selector, so let me copy it. Now go to the tag manager, then we have to create a variable. So it is a phone number variable, phone number. Okay, it will be DOM element. Now use CSS selector, then just paste it here, then write it value because we will get the value. Okay, now we have to do same thing for this field. Okay, we got it. Okay, now just copy it, then yeah, just copy the variable and I will make it for email address. Then just we have to paste the value here and it will be same. So save it. Now we can test it. Okay, so let me preview. Yeah, I clicked on preview button. Okay, now connect. Okay, let me scroll down. Yeah, okay, so when I fill up all the field here and click on submit, the variable should capture the phone number and the email address. So let me do it. Yeah, yes, then yeah, submit. Okay, so this is the last click and here I should get the value. Okay, okay, phone number. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, the variable are working. Great. Yes, now we will use the variable and we will set the value on the local storage, sorry, the session storage. Okay, now we will get the value and we will set the value on the session storage. To do it we need a code to set the value on the session storage. Okay, and I already explained you that I have a code to set it. You see, set email and phone number on session storage. Just copy it. Yeah, let me copy, then on the tag let me paste. Okay, oh, it is loading. Now we have to create a new tag. It will be HTML tag, custom HTML. Yeah, now it is set email and phone. Oh, yeah, now we have to set the trigger. So what will be the trigger? The trigger will be the click of the submit button. Okay, you see this is the submit button click. Yeah, this is the submit button click. So we have to set the trigger on this click. So let me create a new trigger. It will be GoHighLevel submit. Now it will be all element, then copy the, yeah, copy here. Now just paste it here and it will be text. Yeah, click text equal or content, we can keep content. So save. Okay, now we have to replace the actual variable here. Okay, so let me do it. So our variable name is phone number. Yeah, this one, phone number. Then it will be email. So email address. Okay, now save it. Great, now we can test it. So let me test it. We have to preview again. Okay, yeah, connecting. Okay, it is connected here, and we got some data. Now we have to test the from again. So let me do it. Okay, in here I gonna use the same information again. This is my phone number. Okay, then email. Yes, no need. Okay, submit. Now on the last click I should get the data. Yes, it is working. And now I should get the value, the phone number and the email address on the session storage. Okay, so let me check. So inspect, then application, then session storage, the first one. Yeah, in here I should get the data. Yeah, I got the data. So this is user email, this is phone number. Okay, nice. So we are getting all the necessary data on the session storage. Now we can get the data from session storage and we can create a data layer. Then based on the data layer we can send the data to Google Ad. Okay, so using the first script we have set the data on the session storage. Now we can use the second script to get the data from the session storage and fire a data layer. Okay, so let me copy it. Yes, just we have to copy. Yeah, now this is data layer for GoHighLevel from. Okay, it will be again HTML, custom HTML. So just basis, no need to modify anything here. Okay, because everything is working fine here. And we have to fire the tag on the thank you page because we wanna set the conversion on the thank you page. Okay, so trigger, then GoHighLevel thank you page. Yeah, then just save it. Okay, nice. Now we can test it again. It is connecting. Good, it is connected. Now we can submit the form again. So let me do it. I'm gonna share same information again. Nice. Now yes, yeah. Okay, now we can test here. So right now we on the thank you page. Great, I get a data layer and the data layer name is generate lead. On here I should get the email and phone number. Okay, yes, I get the generate lead event name and email and phone number. Okay, nice. So it is working perfectly. The data layer is firing. Now we have to send the data to Google Ads to enable the enhanced conversion data. Okay, so now yeah, let me create a conversion here. Okay, create a new conversion action. Now website, then type the domain here. We can keep this domain, no problem. So yes, scan. Yeah, now create a manual action. So it will be a from submission. So GoHighLevel from submission. Nice. Now no need to use the value. Now we have to count 1. Then Google tag manager we have to use. We will change it later. Okay, no problem. So save it. Now use Google tag manager. Yes. So we have to copy the conversion ID here and we have to paste on tag manager. So let me do it. So let me select Google Ad conversion. Now conversion ID paste here, then conversion label, just copy it and paste it on tag manager. Is conversion label, no need to conversion value, transaction ID and currency. Okay, now we have to select the trigger will be a custom event. Yeah, so it will be custom event. The name is GoHighLevel from submission. Nice. So custom event. Now just copy the event name here, that is the generate lead. Okay, nice, generate lead. Great. Now we have to send the actual enhanced conversion data to Google Ads. Okay, to do it just yeah, click here, then new variable, it will be a GoHighLevel user data. Now we have to create some variable, one for email and one for the phone number. So it will be data layer variable. So data layer variable, just copy email from here, just paste it. Okay, save. Now we have to do it same thing for phone number. So phone, then date, yeah, data layer variable, then phone. Nice. Okay, just paste it here, then save it. Okay, so now we are enabling the enhanced conversion data, and I'm sending only phone number and email address. Okay, so save it. Okay, great. Now let me use a name, so it will be Google Ad from submission GoHighLevel. Nice. Save it. Okay, in here just done it, and we have to change something on the setting. Right now we are using Google Tag for enhanced conversion, but I don't want to use it. I want to use Google Tag Manager. Okay, Google Tag Manager, yeah. Great. Okay, now we can test it again. Just preview. Okay, it's connecting. Yeah, connecting. Okay, connected. Nice. Now you can paste the form again. So yes, let me type my phone number again. Nice. Then submit it. Okay, now we should get a data layer event. Yes, we got it. Now in here we are getting the Google Ad conversion tagging, and it is firing, and it is sending the enhanced conversion data. Nice. We can test it using extension. So this is the extension. We can enable it, then start monitoring. Yes, it is sending the data to Google Ad. It is sending the phone number and the email address. Okay, nice. So it is working perfectly. Thank you so much for watching the full video. But if you face any problem, you can comment me, or if you need any help, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Bye bye.